He's trying to breathe. Oh my God. Oh, this is unbelievable. It's almost up to the roof. Oh, where's the deer?
No deer.
Deer's gone. Deer died. Oh my God. Yeah.
Place along your major roadways, and then keep in mind if you had any flight plans today, they were probably canceled due to this weather issue that we are having today. Now, as we take a look at the map, you're seeing a lot of the snowy conditions all throughout the area.
It was supposed to quit, right? So.
Oh wow.
A little deep. Front of the house, all windows all blocked out. We're gonna have to dig out the. Front of the house. Oh my God. That looks to be about 3 foot plus high in front of the house.